Okay, y'all. I'm gonna be showing y'all how to take out your knotless braids. This is such a random video, but people do not know how to take out their braids, but I'm gonna show y'all. So what you're gonna need is scissors, and you're gonna need a comb. You're gonna need scissors because what you're gonna do is cut under where your hair ends, meaning the tip, like where your hair, basically how long your hair is, that's where you're gonna cut. So I know I have short hair. I put my hair in the middle because, you know, the slide can kind of make my length inaccurate. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just cut my hair right here. My hair is not this long. I'm gonna cut my hair right here. I'm gonna cut my hair right here. This is what you would do. So let's say if your hair is this long, you can cut here. If your hair comes down here, you can cut here. If you know you got long hair, let's say your hair stops here, you want to cut here. The reason why you're cutting it is so you don't have to start from the ends and going all the way up. You're gonna be here forever. So my hair, I don't really know how long it is, but I know it ain't that long. So I'm gonna cut here. And once I see the length, I know my hair don't come down here, but once I see the length, I even might go back in and just cut shorter, like here. But what you wanna do, cut all the braids, cut them. And this is good for box braids, knotless braids, Fulani braids, twist. If you're getting like the twist with hair added and they're like long like this, you want to cut it. You don't want to be here all day starting from the tips. I mean, there's no point, no reason. I'm getting my hair done tomorrow, so this gotta be taken down tonight. So you're just gonna cut. I'm gonna start going a little higher because I know my hair don't come down this short. I mean this long. So you're gonna just cut, cut, cut. This is my favorite part because I really be wanting to rock my hair short. So now that you cut them, you're gonna get a braid. Now the reason why I said to get a comb is because you can just put the comb right here and you're just gonna take it out. It's that simple, y'all. Like that. That's it. That's all you're doing. That's it. And you're gonna go all the way up. You're just going where that loop is at, right there. See that little loop right there? Push the comb through. Push the comb through. Push it through. Push it through. Push it through. Push it through. You can even get all 3 strands and unbraid it like this. It'll be a little bit tangled, but if you just pull it apart like this, or there's like a little piece right here, you could just pull it down right there. It's like real thin, but you just like pull it and then you should be able to do it again like that. But you see how it's just coming loose? This is how y'all take it out. I don't want y'all to be cutting y'all hair. Don't be cutting your hair because you don't know how to do it. You can even do it with your fingers. And especially if you have nails, it's like so much quicker. Then you're just gonna go through like this. And when you're pulling out each loop, you want to go all the way down, because if you don't, it's gonna tangle. Keep in mind. Okay, y'all, so this is how long my hair is right here. So that's clearly very, very short. I have this detangler I got from Ross. It's called Detangle and Hydrate. This is what, it's supposed to be a hair mist, but it's not a hair mist because it's like cream, probably because it's old. But I'm gonna put this on top of my scalp like this because my hair is gonna get washed. But just really at the scalp. And also when you're taking out your braids, you want to detangle each one. Like, you see this one right here? You want to detangle this. You don't want to just take them all out and then get in the shower and try to detangle in the shower. If you can, try to detangle it before you get in the shower. You should be able to. But this will cause you like a lot less trouble. Let me see. When you get in the shower, if you just detangle it before you get in. So I'm just gonna comb it. Start from the ends and comb up. This is how you want to do each braid. You want to detangle each braid. You don't have to use this specific comb, but I just detangled that whole braid. This is like gel. That got to be gel stuff. This is how you want to do each braid. You want to comb it out like that. Okay, so that's how you do one braid. You want to do that to each braid. So like I said, get the comb. And you're just going to go through each loop like this. You see that loop right there? You want to just put the comb, go down. And you want to just go like this to each one. That's it, y'all. That's it. This is all you want to do. Go down. Make sure you're trying to go through the whole thing, because if you go like halfway, it's already getting tangled. You see? Now look, if I just don't go all the way through, look. Now I'm just getting the tangle. You see how it's just getting tangled? You don't want the tangle. That's why you want to go through and make sure each one is going completely through the braid like that. And this is what you do if you don't want to use your hand. You want to use a comb. You see how each one is just going through? That's it. But my hair is clearly shorter than even what I said. So we're going to cut some more because okay, got another braid out. You see how this one is detangled and this one is not? You want to detangle it. So start from the end and comb your way up. You want to do this to every braid. You don't want to be, you got to know how to detangle your hair. So you want to go comb your way up like that. You see how I just combed out that braid? It's combed out. That's it. I'm combing on my edges. That's how you do it. That's literally how you do it. This is how it used to be. This is how you're supposed to be taking down your braids. And this goes for like really all braids. When you're taking out any braid, you want to detangle each one. Don't just take them all out and then get in the shower. That's a waste of everything. You want to try to get it all done. Detangle it as much as you can before you get in the shower. So once you get in the shower, all you got to do is detangle it one more time, because you already did the hard part. And you see this like this? This is like that gunk, like that build up. This is the build up. You don't want to do all of this in the shower. You want to get this out right now, like I said. So now I know my hair is even shorter than I thought. So this is where the part, this is kind of fun though, because you can just like keep cutting. So I'm gonna cut some more. I'm pretty fast at taking down mine, so I don't have to do too much. But I can cut shorter because I know my hair ain't coming down like this. Don't do this if your hair is long. If your hair is longer than what I'm cutting, don't cut it. Don't keep cutting. But I'm gonna keep cutting because it makes it easier, you know? So I just keep cutting. So now I'm gonna take down each braid and detangle each braid, and I'm gonna show y'all when I'm done. Start off with the heart, leading to embrace.